So let's say you're working through a model, you're using Monkey Tools and you're working with one specific feature and you think, boy, this would really be nice if this also did this. How would you tell me about that? Or let's say that you're working through a model and you're thinking, boy, I wish I had something that would do this. I wish Monkey Tools would do it at all. Maybe there's no feature for it. Well, guess what? I would love to hear about it. A lot of the features in Monkey Tools were built because I was trying to do work and got tired of doing the same thing over and over again. And this is why I built these tools, to make my life easier first, as well as all of yours. But I'm not the only person that has contributed ideas to Monkey Tools. Far from it. I've had lots of people that have come back and suggested ways to improve a feature, make it better, or even suggested brand new features altogether. And if you'd like to be one of those people, it's actually really easy to do. Here's what you do is you go to the Help menu and you go to Feature Suggestions. And at this point, you'll be taken to a form that has a few questions about, what is the feature that you're actually thinking of? How much time would it save you? Do you think it should do certain things or not do certain things? There's a little bit of stuff that we try to think about. Just please make sure you give me your email so I can follow up with you. And by all means, I'm not promising that I'm going to build every feature for everyone under the sun. I have to justify this, amongst my time and the effort that it takes, and whether it's useful and to enough people and whatnot. But at the end of the day, if you don't ask, we never know. And I would love to actually build a tool that is super useful to the majority of the Excel users on the planet. So if you've got ideas and you'd like to share them, you'd like to see somebody else build them, by all means, throw them into the form here. This will log it directly into my system where I can go and actually, track and follow up progress on it and things like that. So if you've got cool ideas that you think would make Monkey Tools better, share them with me. You never know. It might just happen. Thanks for watching this episode of Using Monkey Tools. To get your own monkey, visit our website at monkeytools.ca. Or if you subscribe to Skillwave's Self-Service Business Intelligence Academy, you'll get a free annual pro license included with your subscription. And remember, Monkey Tools was developed to support better Excel and Power BI solutions. If you want to learn how to really master these tools, you should definitely check out our full course catalog at skillwave.training.